First things first, rest in peace, Toriyama. On my mama, created the first anime I ever knew. Had me hit the Super Saiyan like I'm Goku. Prophecies that I made way back in the Ville. Fulfilled. Listen, even back with no degrees, I was ill. Nas K, Mark Law, you know the drill. Talking about the law like one time for the legal system. One time for your legal woes. Lame lawyers can't tell the difference. One time for a client who knows K-Mark Law. When you need legal help, K-Mark Law. When you need legal help, K-Mark Law. When you need legal help, K-Mark Law. When you need legal help. No role models and I'm here. Let me stop. Thank you so much for joining us today. I am Markwell Cade with K-Mark Law, your favorite neighborhood lawyers, back with another resource for you. Today on 3-Step or 3-Minute Thursday, I don't know, I just made that up, we're gonna talk about the 3 steps to taking your property and putting it in a trust. Step number 1, create the trust. Now, disclaimer alert, you may want a lawyer for this particular step, as creating a trust can be kind of complicated. But generally speaking, if you're creating a simple trust, it's not that different than creating a business. Still, to make sure all your P's and Q's are in order, consult with an attorney for this step. Step number 2, execute a quitclaim deed. Now, you may want a lawyer for this step too. You might want a lawyer for all of these steps actually, because these steps are things you want to make sure that you're doing properly and that the proper steps have been followed in your jurisdiction to make sure that your property is properly placed in the trust. But generally speaking, for step 2, you're going to want to execute what's called a quitclaim deed. Executing this deed is very simple because normally you're the one that owns the property. If you're co-owner of the property with someone else, you will need their permission as well to place the property in the trust because you have to execute the quitclaim deed. But once you execute the quitclaim deed, you will be set to go after you complete step 3. Step number 3, record your quitclaim deed in the county where the property sits. You want to execute the quitclaim deed, but it won't be complete until you actually record it. That's why for step 3, you want to take that quitclaim deed and record it with the clerk in the county where the property sits. By recording that deed, you have now placed the property into the trust. Congratulations. Thank you so much for joining us today. This has been 3 steps to putting your property into a trust. Once again, I am Markwell Cade with Cade Mark Law, your favorite neighborhood lawyers. Protect your brand, grow your business. Stay frosty, my friends. We'll see you next time. We hope this was helpful.